issue, specifically vertigo from an inner ear problem. Vertigo is nasty. It's a nasty experience, okay? And this is at the root level. This is mucus in the head, okay? You can treat it all you want. You can treat it all you want. If you don't get mucus out of your head region, you get worse and worse. And it's very hard to get out of if you don't fix it properly. You need to clean the sinuses. You need to blow your nose on a regular basis. You need to clean your ears, do ear candling or light ear washes, move the mucus in the ear. You need to do a neti pot of eucalyptus oil or any essential oil to break the mucus, do massages at the back of the head, clean the gut. The head sits on the GI tract. If your gut is congested, the mucus sticks up on your head and starts affecting your mastoid, okay? And your ear, mastoid ear is interconnected. In other words, if your mastoid is affected, you start getting vertigo. You can't stand still. Your whole world is spinning. You're standing still, but your inner world is spinning. It's a very, very bad experience. So fix it quickly. I would be on 100% fruit diet, clean the gut, use bowel strength tincture, bowel strength herbs. I would use neurological tincture to strengthen the brain and nervous system. I would use circulation tinctures, push blood flow to the head region, kidney tea, kidney flush tincture, Fabulous 5. Go all out on all the herbs, fix the whole body, but special emphasis on blood flow to the head region and clean the gut.